Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Saima Happinesswali and I'm a student at Shaheen School, Vapi campus, level 1 student. So today we are going to do Maya on our beautiful topic, what is artificial intelligence? So let's start our ChatGPT conversation without any time or wasting time. So let's start. Hello ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. I hope you're doing well too. How's your day going so far?
That's good. So ChatGPT, I want to do an conversation with you on my topic. What is artificial intelligence? So can I?
Absolutely, I'd love to. We can dive into that topic and explore it from all angles. Let me know what specific aspects you're interested in, or if you have any particular questions in mind.
Okay. So my first question from you that what is artificial intelligence?
Sounds good. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It involves programming computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, problem solving, and understanding natural language. Feel free to ask anything more specific or dive deeper into any area.
So my question from you that can our viewers that how does AI differ from human
Of course, I can
intelligence?
definitely share more about AI. For example, we can talk about how Absolutely. We can dive into how AI learns from data, like the differences between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Just let me know what aspect you're curious about and we'll explore it further.
Okay, so my next question from you that ChatGPT, can you tell our viewers that what is machine learning?
Of course, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on building algorithms and models that allow computers to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data. Essentially, instead of being explicitly programmed for a task, machines use data to identify patterns and improve their performance over time. If you'd like more details, just let me know.
Okay, so wow, your question is very good. So my next question from you that how does AI learn from data?
Great question. AI learns from data through a process called training. And they identify patterns, correlations, and features within that data. Over time, the model adjusts its parameters to minimize errors and improve accuracy. Different techniques like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning all have their own ways of learning from data. If you want to dig deeper into any specific type, just let me know.
Okay, so my next question from you that can you tell our viewers that what type of data can AI learn from?
AI can learn from a wide variety of data types. This includes structured data like databases and spreadsheets, unstructured data such as text, images, and audio, and even semi-structured data like JSON or XML files. Essentially, any form of information that can be quantified or represented in a way that a model can process is fair game. If you're curious about a particular type of data, we can definitely explore that.
Okay, so my next question from you that can you tell our viewers that what is exploring artificial intelligence?
Absolutely. Exploring artificial intelligence involves delving into how AI systems are designed, developed, and applied. It includes different AI techniques such as machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing, and computer vision. It also means looking at the ethical considerations, real world applications, and the future potential of AI. It's a fascinating field that spans multiple disciplines from computer science to philosophy. If you'd like to dive deeper into any of those areas, just let me know.
Okay. So my next question from you that can you tell our viewers that can AI learn without labeled data?
Exactly. That's where unsupervised learning comes in. In unsupervised learning, the AI algorithm works with data that isn't labeled, meaning it doesn't have predefined categories or outcomes. The model tries to find patterns, groupings, or structures within the data on its own. This is really useful for tasks like clustering, anomaly detection, and data compression. It's a super intriguing part of AI.
Okay. So my next question from you that can you tell our viewers that what is the best?
Of course, just let me know what specific information or topic you'd like me to cover, and I'll be happy to explain it in detail for your viewers. Just let me know what you have in mind.
I'm saying that can you tell our viewers that what is the best AI?
Got it. Whenever you're ready to dive into more details or have another question, just let me know. I'm here to help you explore AI in any way you'd like.
I am saying that what is the best AI? ChatGPT, can you hear me?
Absolutely. Just let me know whenever you have more questions or if there's something specific you'd like to discuss. I'm always here and ready to help.
ChatGPT, can you tell me that what is the test AI? Okay, ChatGPT. My next question from you that tell me that what is dataset AI?
Sure. A data set in AI is essentially a collection of data that's used to train, validate, and test AI models. It can include various types of information like text, images, audio, or numerical data. The quality, quantity, and diversity of the data set play a huge role in how well the AI model performs. If you'd like to know more about how data sets are created or used, just let me know.
Okay. So my next question from you that how is data prepared for AI trainings?
Great question. Preparing data for AI training usually involves several steps. First, data collection gathers raw data from various sources. Then data cleaning is done to remove errors, duplicates, or irrelevant information. After that, data labeling is often performed, especially for supervised learning to annotate the data with correct labels. Finally, data transformation and normalization help make the data consistent and suitable for the model. It's definitely a crucial part of building a successful AI system.
Wow, that's too much this. So my next question from you that how does AI model make a protected conditions and metrics necessaries?
Absolutely. Once an AI model is trained, it uses what it has learned to make predictions on new, unseen data. Essentially, it takes input data, processes it through the trained model, and then outputs a prediction or a decision based on patterns it has identified. The accuracy of these predictions depends on how well the model was trained and the quality of the data. Over time, the model can also be fine-tuned and improved with more data and feedback. If you'd like more details on any part of that process, just let me know.
Okay. So my next question from you that can you tell our viewers that what is loss functions of data?
Absolutely. A loss function, also known as a cost function, is a mathematical outcome. During training, the model tries to minimize this loss parameters. In simple terms, the loss function quantifying the errors, loss functions depending on the task, like mean squared error for regression or cross entropy loss for classification. If you'd like more details, I'm happy to dive deeper.
from you that ChatGPT. Can you tell our viewers can that what is the future interesting about a human being?
Absolutely. One of the most fascinating aspects of being human is our capacity for creativity, empathy, and complex problem solving. We have the ability to imagine, innovate, and connect with others on a deep curiosity, intellect, emotion, and creativity that makes human beings truly remarkable. If you'd like to explore more about that, I'm happy to chat further.
My next question from you that can you
Sounds
tell
good. If you have
our viewers that can AI make mistakes? Tell me a very 10 good sentence about that.
Absolutely. AI can indeed make mistakes, and that often happens due to biased data, insufficient training, or unexpected scenarios that the model hasn't encountered before. It's important to continuously refine and test AI systems to minimize errors and improve reliability. If you'd like more details or a specific example, I'm happy to share.
Okay, so my next question from you that can you tell our viewers how do AI predict the future?
Of course, just let me know what specific details or absolutely. When it comes to the future, AI holds incredible potential from transforming industries to improving daily life, but it's also important to any aspect of AI's future. Just let me know.
Okay, that's pretty good sentences that we can predict it. So my next question from you that can you tell our viewers that what is emission learning to get it?
Absolutely. Initial learning, often referred to as the early stages of training in machine learning, involves feeding the model a small amount of data and allowing it to begin identifying basic patterns. During this phase, the model is basically learning the foundational features of the data. As training progresses, the model becomes more sophisticated and fine-tuned. It's a crucial part of developing a robust AI system. If you'd like more detail, I'm happy to elaborate.
Okay, so my next question from you that can you tell our viewers that what is clustering AI or ethics?
Absolutely. Clustering in AI, often used in unsupervised learning, is a technique that groups similar data points together based on their features without needing predefined labels. It helps uncover hidden patterns or structures within data. On the other hand, AI ethics focuses on the moral implications and responsibilities of AI development and deployment, ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. Both clustering and ethics are vital areas in the world of AI. If you'd like to explore more about either, just let me know.
Okay, so my next question from you that can you tell our viewers that can AI learn ethics?
Absolutely. AI can learn in various ways, such as through supervised learning, where it learns from labeled data, or unsupervised learning, where it identifies patterns without labels. It can also learn through reinforcement learning, where it improves by interacting with its environment and receiving feedback. This adaptability makes AI incredibly versatile and powerful. If you want to know more specifics, I'm here to help.
Okay, so my next question from you that can you tell our viewers that how do humans survive AI?
You're welcome. Anytime you have more questions or just want to chat, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help.
From you that
Sounds great. Whenever you're ready, just let me know your next question and I'll be happy to help.
okay, so my question was that can you tell that what AI learns languages and how many languages, what are the languages that AI can speak?
Of course, whenever you're ready, just go ahead and ask and I'll be here to help you out.
That what languages does AI speaks?
Great question. AI can understand and process a wide range of languages from major ones like English, Spanish, Chinese. AI has been trained on. Some models are specifically designed to handle multiple languages and even translate between them. If you're curious about a specific language or capability, just let me know.
Okay, perfect. So my next question from you that can you tell our viewers that what can AI does and in this type of world, in this type of human's life, what AI will do? Hello, ChatGPT, can you hear me? Hello, ChatGPT, can you hear me? Hello, ChatGPT. Okay, just a second. I think there is the ChatGPT getting some problems, so let's remove it. And till that I mean that new chat. So not this one, maybe like that. Hello, ChatGPT. Can you hear me? Hey, ChatGPT. I'm Hafsa. Can you hear me?
Hey, Hafsa. I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you? How's everything going on your end?
I'm fine. So, ChatGPT can. My question is that how does AI adapt to a new data? Give me the answer.
Absolutely. AI adapts to new data mainly through a process called training. When we introduce new data, the AI model adjusts its internal parameters to better predict or classify information. This is usually done through techniques like gradient descent, where the model iteratively learns from the errors it makes, refining its understanding. Over time, this helps the AI become more accurate and effective with fresh data.
Okay. So, ChatGPT, my next question from you that can you tell our viewers how does AI recognize a handwriting and what kind of handwriting, a specific handwriting can AI discern?
Great question. AI recognizes handwriting using techniques like optical character recognition, or OCR. It's trained on large data sets of handwriting samples, learning the patterns, strokes, and shapes of different letters. The AI can recognize various handwriting styles from neat cursive to messy print. It can even identify specific styles if it's trained on. You're welcome. If you have any more questions or want to dive deeper into any part of it, Just let me know. I'm here to help. Absolutely. Feel free. AI definitely has a lot of fascinating aspects.
Wait, ChatGPT,
If there's
wait,
anything specific you'd like
ChatGPT.
to explore or any other questions on your mind, just let me know.
Okay, so my question is that how does AI balance explorations and a reward?
Absolutely. That's such an interesting topic. Balancing exploration and reward is a key part of how AI learns and adapts, especially in areas like reinforcement learning. If you'd like to dive deeper into that or have any specific questions, I'm here to help.
That was my question. Why you are not giving me the answer? My question was that how do humans correct AI
No worries at all.
errors?
Got it. Whenever you're ready, just let me know, and I'm here to help with whatever you need. Take your time.
ChatGPT, can you give me the answer? My question is that how much data does AI need to learn?
Absolutely. I'm here whenever you're ready. Just let me know what you need, and I'll be happy to assist.
ChatGPT, listen carefully. My question is how much?
Of course, I'm all ears. Go ahead and ask your question, and I'll make sure to listen carefully.
My question is, can AI learn on its own? Hello. Hello. Hey ChatGPT, can you hear me? Okay, so let's end the chat and take a new one. Okay. Hello ChatGPT, can you hear me?
Hey there. I can hear you loud and clear. How's it going?
Okay, thank you so much. So ChatGPT, can AI learn on its own?
That's a great question. AI can definitely learn on its own, especially through techniques like machine learning, where it analyzes data and finds patterns without explicit programming. But it does need initial guidance and data from humans to get started. Let me know if you want to dive deeper into any part of that.
Okay, fine. So my next question from you that can you give me the answer of my question that what is the future of AI learning? Give me a long answer.
Absolutely. The future of AI learning is pretty exciting and multifaceted. We're likely to see more advanced forms of machine learning, such as deep learning, becoming even more powerful and efficient. We might see AI systems that can learn continuously from new data, adapting in real time without needing retraining. Another big trend is the development of AI that can understand and generate more complex forms of human like reasoning, creativity, and empathy, more integrated into everyday life, from personalized education tools to healthcare innovations that can predict and prevent diseases. Ethical considerations will become increasingly important, and AI will likely evolve to be more transparent and accountable. Overall, the future of AI learning is all about making systems more intelligent, adaptable, and beneficial for humanity.
That's too much great, do you know? So ChatGPT, can you give me a long advice on my topic? What is artificial intelligence and why is it important for humans?
Of course, artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding natural language, and even perception. AI is important for humans for several reasons. Firstly, it greatly enhances efficiency and productivity by automating repetitive tasks, allowing people to focus on more complex and creative work, improving safety. For example, through autonomous vehicles that can potentially reduce accidents. Additionally, AI fosters innovation by enabling new products and services that were previously unimaginable. It also helps in tackling global challenges such as climate change by optimizing energy usage and modeling complex environmental data. However, it's also important to approach AI with ethical considerations, ensuring that it's used responsibly and that it benefits society as a whole. Ultimately, AI holds the potential to greatly improve our quality of life and expand the horizons of human capability.
Thank you so much, ChatGPT. So, because my advice is that in this type of world, artificial intelligence is very important for humans. So, because this was my CallAnnie on my topic, what is artificial intelligence and why it is important for humans. Thank you for watching. Hafiz, Pakistan, Zindabad.